name is Paul.
Everyone, I'm Constance.
But both easy and convenient. Step 1. The packaging your smart
Good day, my name is Tiana. I've been part of the Chamberlain family since 2008. Today I will be showing you how to do sand art. The kit consists of a tray, color sand, one lifter and your 6 cards. First I'm going to choose the design I would like to do. Fold your tray, put your design in the tray, then choose the parts that you would like to start with and lift the sticker up. Take the color you would like to use and pour it on the design. Shake off the loose sand and rub it lightly with your finger. The saw that came off, you can just add it back to your tube and then you carry on and do your design as you require. And there you have it, your finished sand art. Thank you for watching. For more expert advice on anything hobby related, visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores where a friendly expert is waiting to assist. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.